channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day, and thank you again for being here. And if you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. I am actually not doing an unboxing. I am not doing a review. I'm not doing a haul. This video is different than one I have done before. This video, I'm going to tell you guys, you ready? Hold on to your seat. You already know because you saw the title. I'm going to tell you how you can get a free BoxyCharm box for the month of November. So, if you do not know, BoxyCharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription where you receive 4 to 5 full-sized beauty products. And they are always amazing. The value of the box is always well over $100. And now there's a way for you to get one for free. Doesn't matter if you are already a charmer or if you have never signed up with them before. Either way, you can do these few simple steps and you can get a free box in November. You have through October 27th to purchase any 2 Vagisil items. And what I did, I'll put all this down below. You can actually find like the little box of like 10 or 12 to-go wipes for like $1.99 a piece. You can buy 2 of them. I actually bought them at Target and they were on sale, buy one get one, either 20 or 30% off. I know my total with tax and everything was like $3.83. And then you just, I will put the link down below for the page where you go in and you basically just put in your name, your address, and you upload a picture of the receipt showing that you purchased the 2 items in one transaction, and make sure that the date is on the receipt, and you upload it, you send it. A few days later, you get an email saying congratulations, in November you will be receiving a free BoxyCharm. Now, I do not know if the BoxyCharm box that we will receive in November through this promotion, if it is the November BoxyCharm. If it is, okay, because I'm sure there will be variation, so maybe you'll end up getting something that you didn't get in your original box if you are already a member or a subscriber to BoxyCharm, or if it ends up being exactly the same, Christmas is right around the corner, so you can end up gifting it, or if there's products that you love, you'll have duplicates. So it is just a super awesome way to get a free BoxyCharm box. And I say free, I mean, yes, you are having to purchase the 2 Vagisil items, but like I said, if you go about it, there's no limit on what you have to spend for those items. So I spent $3.83 total, and I have already gotten the confirmation email that I will be receiving the free box in November. And it doesn't have anything to do with your membership, so you will still receive your monthly box. That's why I'm kind of wondering if it's going to be different than the normal November box, because I'm wondering if it's going to kind of be a little bit of hodgepodge, you know, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, maybe from different months, so you may end up getting products that you didn't receive in previous months' boxes. You got the different variation, which would be awesome. So again, I just wanted to share with you guys how you do this. Again, you just have to purchase in a single transaction 2 Vagisil products. Once you have done so, and you can even do it online, and you know, use the online receipt. I will put the link down below again to where you go to fill out your, like I said, your name, your address, all of that, and where you upload the picture of the receipt. Now you have until October 27th to make the purchase, and you have until November 10th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to actually upload and submit the application. I'm not sure why they're calling it an application, but that's the word they're using. So, and the box will ship, I want to say it's like the second or third week of November. So that is obviously also a little past the normal shipping time for regular BoxyCharm members. So again, I'm thinking it may be a different box than the November BoxyCharm, but only time will tell. So I just wanted to share with you guys because I thought it was awesome. Like I said, if it ends up being products that you've already received, if you're already a member, then you can either have duplicates if it's something you love, or you can have some Christmas gifts. So it's just a really great opportunity. You know, you can spend just a couple of dollars and upload a receipt. It takes all of maybe 5 minutes, and then you get a free box. So I just wanted to share because I thought it was really awesome, and I am all about a bargain. And if I can get some extra products for free, or for $3 technically, then I'm all about it and want to share the love with you guys, so you know. And again, like I said, it literally takes like 5 minutes to fill out the information and upload the picture, so it's definitely worth it. So again, everything will be down below for you guys. The dates, the link for where you actually, like I said, go into the application and upload. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. Like I said, I have already done it and already received my confirmation email, so I will be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Otherwise, go buy you a couple of Vagisil products and get a free BoxyCharm box. So, as you can tell, I'm very excited about this because I wonder, like I said, if it's going to be something different, or I don't know. We'll find out. But I definitely wanted to share, so hop on over and do that. And like I said, any questions, leave them in the comments. I'd be more than happy to answer and guide you the best I can. So until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon. I hope you all have a wonderful night, and farewell.